You need to hear these content ideas if you're looking to kickstart your content creation journey. Hi, I'm Greg.
And I'm Gloria from the TikTok's Creator Academy team.
Here's our list of popular TikTok categories and video formats, as well as some helpful tips to give you the push you need to start creating awesome content on TikTok.
This is the first place to start. Land on a content niche that's authentic to you.
It might help to make a list of all the things you're passionate about. Maybe it's your favorite hobby, an aspect of your career, or a subject you can talk to your friends about for hours.
Use that list to explore intriguing hashtags and topics and discover communities of people who share the same passions. Here are some categories to help you get started on your search for your TikTok community.
So, you can't stop telling everyone you know about your latest binge watch, or do you consider yourself a film buff? Spill all your thoughts by making film and TV fan content on TikTok. You can film your reaction to watching a popular show's plot twists, share the Easter eggs you find in your favorite childhood movies, and so much more.
Whether you're a D1 athlete, a repeat fantasy league winner, or a sports superfan, sports content is for you. Create step-by-step tutorials on a specific skill, record commentary on crazy plays of the week, or show off your athleticism with challenges. It's your turn to jump in on the sports content action.
Do you have a specific skill or area of expertise? Maybe you should try out learning content. Teach your audience through how-to tutorials like learning how to code or beginner sewing lessons. Or maybe you can use your university degree to help more people gain access to important information through Did You Know content.
Looking to shift your TikTok journey into high gear? Calling all car enthusiasts, vintage restorers, and racing experts, it's time to hit the road with automotive content. Offer in-depth knowledge of car maintenance, show off your modification skills, or review the latest high-tech car models.
Are you a personal trainer, a yoga enthusiast, or a runner training for your first half marathon? You can find your fitness community on TikTok. Share your fitness journey through daily vlogs and inspire others to start their own. Or give your best weightlifting tips to help others out in the gym. There's so many fun ways to join in on fitness content.
Got a knack for lifting spirits? Start making motivational content. Maybe this looks like sharing life advice with your viewers over your morning coffee, or documenting your consistent after-work routine. Your positive vibes could rally a whole community. You're doing amazing, Greg.
Thanks, Gloria. From secret family recipes to buzzing food trends, food content on TikTok is widely popular. Whether you're a private chef or a humble foodie, there's a huge audience of fellow food lovers waiting to hear from you. Try out new recipes, review restaurants while traveling, or teach people how to bake the perfect blueberry muffin.
If style's your game, give your viewers a glimpse into your fashion world. Show your clothing haul from your most recent trip to the thrift store. Review celebrity outfits on the red carpet during award season. Or share how you style your favorite pair of shoes. The fashion possibilities are endless.
Are you an avid reader? Hashtag BookTok is a continuously growing community and a force to be reckoned with. Join in on the book-loving discourse by sharing your top book recommendations, hot takes on your favorite characters, 5-star reads of the past year, or theories about an unfinished series.
Celebrate and educate people on your unique cultural tapestry. TikTok is all about creating authentic content and connecting people all over the world. Help others learn more about your culture by telling your special story, teaching words and phrases in your language, and showing your customs.
Once you've picked your niche, it's time to figure out what video format to use. Here are a few content creation styles to consider.
Vlogs are like your personal reality show, sharing slices of your life, whether it's your morning routine, the day's meals, or behind the scenes of all your creations. It's all about bringing viewers into your world.
You can also try a step-by-step video format to keep your audience engaged. Use on-screen text to guide them through each step, ensuring that everyone can easily follow the process. Pro tip, try teasing out the finished result at the beginning so viewers want to stick around and learn.
Try trends. Putting your personal twist on trends can keep your content fresh. Mix trends into your content schedule to connect to a broader audience.
And don't forget, the best way to find content inspo is simply to scroll on TikTok. Learn from your favorite creators and get inspired by content that stands out to you. Show your support and let other creators' creativity fuel your very own original content.
It's time to take your first steps in your TikTok creator journey. We can't wait to see what you come up with.
I don't know about you, Gloria, but I'm knackered after those activities. And Don't forget to follow Creator Academy for more advice as you start your content creation journey.